I am just plugging this into a wall right now just for a simple demonstration, but this looks like eyes and there's so many different ways you can change this. As you can see here, I have my phone and I could hit the buttons and I could change all sorts of different stuff. The app is amazing. As you can see here, you can go into all the material here and you can pick all sorts of different stuff. There are so many different options to choose from, and I'm actually just clicking different ones right now. You can see we got a couple fish, we got a dancing bird, and then you can also just make the eyes just look so cool. There are a ton of options within this app, guys. It's unlimited, and you can actually put your own text in here if you want to make your own DIY kit. All you have to do is hit the DIY text and you can actually enter your text right here. Hit confirm and it'll load it in there. And then now, as you can see on the screen, I just typed hello and it comes up on the backpack. So you can do that with anything. You can be creative, but overall, this is an absolutely amazing backpack. It catches attention, keeps you safe on the road, and it's just going to be so fun to wear and just mess around with the app and have a good time. Just want to go over the design of the backpack. We are going to have some very comfortable straps that are going to have a nice breathability and a foam on there. We're also going to have a hidden zipper on the bottom here, so you can throw your phone in here and that's just going to be like a privacy zipper. We're also going to get padding on the top here, really breathable, and this thing is actually pretty lightweight. We're also going to get two straps on here. One strap's going to go over the belly and another one over the chest. As you can see here, I'm holding this with the handle. It's really grippy, and this can actually fit a helmet in here as well, because this does have an extension on here where you can open this up and you do have a couple more inches of actual room. Now, this is going to be the black and gray model. Kind of looks like a carbon fiber material, and you can also get this as black as well. This backpack looks so cool when it's actually on, and it's not too bulky, but it's actually really light. It's going to have a hard shell that's going to be scratch resistant and weatherproof. Now, if you do get caught in the rain, it's going to keep your belongings nice and safe. So as you can see, we have a strap going around the stomach and then also one on the chest. So if I'm moving around, it does stay on really nice. And this feels super comfortable on my chest. I could actually wear this on a long ride and I wouldn't have to worry about this being uncomfortable at all. This is gonna be adjustable here and on the belly part. And we're also gonna get some reflective material right here. So that is gonna be a high vis. Now, if we go ahead and open this up, we're gonna see how large this is on the inside. And there is like a padded material around the shell. You are going to be able to put your power bank in a nice slot here. And then we also have a ton of pockets, two individual pockets here. We have a zipper pocket, and then you can also fit a laptop. We have a strap here, and this is gonna be a padded slot as well. So it looks like you could fit about a 16, 17-inch laptop in here. Now let's go ahead and check out these nice LED lights. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a nice digital backpack that can fit a helmet, waterproof, scratch resistant, looks amazing, lightweight as well. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.